sons in brotherhood. The law was carved in covenant deep. What you sow, your children reap. Steel in hand and faith in heart, every generation plays its part. The house that honors blood and creed shall forge a nation from their seed. When the family stands as one, kingdoms rise beneath the sun. Covenant iron, blood and honor never break. Covenant iron, for our children's sake we stand. Through the fire, through the ages, father to son, the battle rages. Covenant iron, family forges the promised land. 12 tribes born from sacred oath. Strength flows through the bloodline both. When the household walks in righteous way, the nation fears no enemy's blade. But when the sons forget the call, the mighty kingdoms crumble and fall. Division tears what unity builds. Brothers' blood upon the hilt. Heed the wisdom of the old. Guard your house with heart of gold. Covenant iron, blood and honor never break. Covenant iron, for our children's sake we stand. Through the fire, through the ages, father to son, the battle rages. Covenant iron, family forges the promised land. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. The father's strength becomes the son's shield, the mother's wisdom, the daughter's sword.